All right, guys, we're back with the 2017 Subaru Forrester. We just got everything all wrapped up, so just wanted to go over exactly what we did. So we took the old radio out. We installed a new Pioneer unit. This is a DMHW 4660 NEX. So it's a really high-end radio. It has a capacitive touchscreen, really bright display, really crisp image. And like I stated earlier in the video, just because the car may be newer doesn't mean the tech is actually new. So now this radio is up to date. It has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. We were able to retain the factory steering wheel controls along with the factory backup camera. So if you guys have a vehicle that's low mileage, really clean, you're on the fence maybe about getting a new vehicle just really for the tech part of it, that's where we come in. We can handle any vehicle. So if you need anything, please reach out, 610-328-0301. Thanks again, guys.